Hello friends, I'm Pratibha. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. I thank all the viewers. So I request you to watch the video from starting to end and like the video. This is a question from JEE Main on functions and some of the series. The functions means here greatest integer function. So let us see the question. If floor of alpha or greatest integer function alpha denotes the greatest integer less than equals to alpha, then the value of square root of 1 floor plus floor of square root of 2 plus floor of square root 3 up to floor of square root 120 equals to 4 options are given: 770, 825, 843 and 120. So let us begin. So only thing is we have to understand the square root function. It is already given square box, that means this is greatest integer function, or we say floor function. So this is same as your less than or equals to alpha when alpha is an integer. That means this floor of 1 is 1, floor of 1.4 is also 1, while floor of 1.9 is also 1. So if we take square root of 1 equals to 1, square root 2 equals to 1.414, square root of 3 equals to your 1.7, approximately I have written, and square root of 4 is 2. So that means of 2, square root 1, square root 2, square root 3, the greatest integer part is 1, 1, 1. Similarly, we'll go for square root 2. It will be floor function. It will give you 2, but it will be square root of 5. This is your 2.3 approximately. Again, it will give this value 2. So up to how much? Up to your square root 8, it will gives you 2. So basing on this concept, we'll go for it. So from floor of square root 1 to floor of square root 3, we get the value or greatest integer part is 1. So how many times I am getting 1? We get 1 3 times. So next is from floor of square root 4 to floor of square root 8, we get 2 each time. How many times? 5 times. Next is from square root 9 floor to square root of 15, floor of square of 15, we get each time 3. How many times? It will be 7 times. So we'll get so on. Last is from floor of square root 100 to floor of square root 120, get 10 each time. How many times? Here 21 times. So coming to sum, so sum of floor of square root 1 plus square root 2 plus square root 3 floor square root 120. We are getting 1. How many times? 3 times. We are getting 3. How many times? 5 times. Sorry, 2. It's not 3. Then 3 7 times. Last is 10 21 times. So either you can calculate now each terms, or we can make a series. So S equals to, this is 1 2 3 up to 10. So equals to n into, if it is n, this will be your 3 5 7. It will be 2 times of n plus 1. And this series is starting from n1 to n equals to 10. So if we simplify this is summation n equals to 1 to 10. It will be twice n square plus summation of n equals to 1 to 10. That will be n. Now taking the first series, formula summation of n square equals to n equals to 1 to n is your n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, 2n plus 1 by 6. So it will be twice summation of n square equals to 2 into n is 10 into 11 into 2n plus 1, 2 into 10, it will be 21 over 6. So we'll cancel 2, 3, this is 7. So the answer is 770. Now calculating this one, summation of n is equal to 1 to 10. So this is very simple. It will be 10 into 11, n into n plus 1 by 2. So this will be 55. So total sum is your 770 plus 55. This will be 825 is the answer. So let us check which part is the answer. 2 is the answer. Thank you for watching.